Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English language. So in this video, I am going to share very important sentences, okay, which are related to have and having. Okay, we will see here the most useful use of have and having. Okay, so in this video, I will speak out one Hindi sentence, then I will translate it. Okay, so let's start. The first sentence is मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है. I'm having a good day. I am having a good day. I'm having a good day. Okay, I'm having a good day. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है. I'm having a good day. Or we can say I am going through a good day. I am I am going through a good day. I'm going through a good day. Okay. मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है. I'm having a good time. मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है. I am having a good time. I'm having a good time. मेरा दिन अच्छा कट रहा है. Okay. Or we can say I am uh, going through a good time. Okay. Let me write it here. I am going through a good time. I'm going through a good time. I'm going through a good time. Okay. कार होना मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा है. कार होना मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा है. Having a car or to have a car. कार होना, to have a car. कार होना मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा is my wholehearted is my wholehearted hearted इच्छा को कहते हैं will. whole Wholehearted will. To have a car is my wholehearted will. Okay. वो निकल गया होगा. वो निकल गया होगा. He would have left. He would have left. वो निकल गया होगा. He would have left. He would have left. Okay, वो निकल गया होगा. Okay, make sure you're practicing with me. Okay. Write down all the sentences in your notebook to practice your writing as well as your speaking skill. Okay. Without practicing, you can't be improve your English. Okay. You can't improve your English. So make sure do practice with me. Okay. Write all the sentences down in your notebook just like me. Okay. Okay. Follow me. Okay. This method is going to help you. Okay. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate, okay, this method is going to help you, of course. So trust this process and follow this strategy. Okay, follow this plan. सो आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। फॉर दिस सेंटेंस वी विल से आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। यू वुड हैव कॉल्ड हिम। यू वुड हैव कॉल्ड हिम। वुड हैव called him. You would have called him. आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। You would have called him. ओके। आप रख लीजिए ये पेन। आप रख लीजिए ये पेन। For this sentence, we will say you have this pen. You have this pen or you keep this pen. Okay. आप इस पेन को रख लीजिए। You keep this pen. Okay. And it will be better to use have. Okay, so in advanced English we use have. So memorize this sentence and use it. Okay, you have this pen. You have this pen. Okay, मैं मेरे पैर में दर्द है। मेरे पैर में दर्द है। For this sentence there are several ways to translate this sentence. Now let me tell you the most common or most useful sentence. I have a pen. I have a pain. Okay, I have a pain in my leg. Okay, I have a pain. I have a pain. Okay, this word is pronounced as pain, not pan. Okay, pain. I have a pain in my leg. मेरे पैर में दर्द है. Okay, or we can say my leg is paining. My leg is paining. Or we can say there is a pain. There is a pain in my leg. Okay, or we can say I'm having a pain in my leg. I'm having a pain in my leg. I am having a pain in my leg. Okay, I'm having a pain in my leg. Okay, I'm having a pain in my leg. You can use any of them. Okay, and now let's translate the another one. मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है. I'm having to go. मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है. I am having to go. I'm having to go. मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है. I'm having to go. I'm having to go. Okay. Or we can say I have to go. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. Okay. It will be better to use this sentence. Okay. I'm having to go. I'm having to. मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है. Okay. राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है. राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है. राहुल राहुल is सोचना पड़ रहा है. राहुल is having to think. राहुल is having to think. Rahul is having to think, or we can say Rahul has to think. Okay, Rahul is having to think is the better one. You can use it. हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए. Keep it forever. Keep it forever or have it. Okay, let me write it. Keep it forever. Forever. रख लीजिए हमेशा के लिए. Okay, forever मतलब हमेशा के लिए. Keep it forever. Or this sentence can be translated as Have it for keeps. Have it. Have it for keeps. Have it for keeps. ओके, हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए इसे। ओके, उसने खाना खा लिया था। उसने खाना खा लिया था। He had the food. He had the food. Okay, or we can say he had eaten the food. Okay, or we can say he had taken the food. But this is better one. Okay, so you can use he had the food. He had the food. Okay, he had the food. अविरत बर्गर खा रहा है। अविरत बर्गर खा रहा है। अविरत is eating burger, or let me write it here. Avirat of Virat is eating or having burger. Avirat is having burger. Okay, burger. Avirat is having burger. Avirat is having burger. Okay, बर्गर खा रहा है। ठीक है। आपके पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? How much money? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Okay, how much money do you have? आपके पास कितना पैसा है? ओके, लगता है उसके पास पेन है। seems as seems as okay, लगता है seems as he has a pen. He has a pen. He has a pen, or this sentence can be translated as he seem to he seems to have a pen. Okay, he seems to seems to have a pen. He seems to have a pen. He seems to have a pen. Okay, or seems as he has a pen. हमें घर जाना होगा। हमें घर जाना होगा। We will have to go home. We will have to go home. We will have to go home. हमें घर जाना होगा। ओके, हमें समझौता करना होगा। हमें समझौता करना होगा। We will have to compromise. We will have to compromise. Compromise. We will have to compromise. हमें समझौता करना होगा। मुझे खेलना है। मुझे खेलना है। I have to play. I have to play. मुझे खेलना है। ओके, I have to play. मुझे खेलना है। ओके, हमें नहीं खेलना है। हमें नहीं खेलना। We don't have to play. We don't have to play. We don't have to play, or we can say we have not to play. We have not to play. We have not to play. Okay, so you can use any of them. Okay, any one of them. So now let's translate the another one. क्या मुझे जाना है? Do I have to go? Do I have to go? Do I have to go? क्या मुझे जाना है? Do I have to go? ओके, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? ओके, क्या मुझे जाना है? क्या मुझे जाना है? Do I have to go? ओके, आपके पास क्या है? What do you have? मैंने खाना खा लिया है। मैंने खाना खा लिया है। I have had the food, or I have eaten the food. Eaten, or I have taken the food. Okay, so I have had the food. Just just say I have had the food. I have had the food. मैंने खाना खा लिया है. Okay. Instead of eaten, taken. Okay. Or keep, we can use have. Okay. Have या फिर had. Okay. Has, have, had. Okay. Or having. Concept will be taught in another lecture. Okay. Okay. These are basically forms of the verbs. Okay. Has, have. Okay. Has, have, had, having. Okay. So these are the forms of the verb. Now let's translate the another one. We will understand it later. Okay. So don't worry about that. Just memorize the sentence and use it in your daily life. Okay. आप ये अपने पास रखिए। आप ये अपने पास रखिए। You keep it. You keep it with yourself. With your, you keep it with yourself, or we can say you have it with yourself. Okay, first form, first form. You have it with yourself. ये लीजिए, here it is. ये लीजिए, किसी को है ना ये लीजिए, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, just say here it is. Here it is. Okay. So these are the sentences of today. Now let me speak out all the Hindi sentences for you. Okay, so that you can practice at home by yourself. So let's speak out once again. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है। मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है। मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है। कार होना मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा है। वो निकल गया होगा। वो निकल गया होगा, आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा, आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। ओके, आप रख लीजिए ये पेन, आप रख लीजिए ये पेन। मेरे पैर में दर्द है, मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है। राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है। हमें हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए, हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए, हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए। उसने खाना खा लिया था, उसने खाना खा लिया था। अविरत बर्गर खा रहा है। आपके पास कितना पैसा है, आपके पास कितना पैसा है? लगता है उसके पास पेन है। हमें घर जाना होगा, हमें समझौता करना होगा। मुझे खेलना है। ओके, क्या मुझे खेलने जाना है? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मैंने खाना खा लिया है। आप ये अपने पास रखिए, ये लीजिए। ओके, सो आई हैव I have spoken out all the Hindi sentences for you. Now it's your turn. Practice these sentences and improve your English. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, join the environment of English and improve your English. Okay, so keep learning and keep getting better.